Society for Energy, Environment and Development, SEED, Hyderabad. SEED, a green energy-based NGO, was conceived and founded 30 years ago by a legendary former scientist of well-known Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, Professor M. Ramakrishna Rao. Society for Energy, Environment and Development designed and developed scalable solar cabinet dryers for food processing in capacities ranging from 8 kg to 500 kg per charge. These solar dryers offer a lasting solution to the farmers in preserving and adding value to their produce, reduce the post-harvest losses, and enable higher revenue generation for their produce. Since the technology is based on solar energy, it further helps the farmer with zero energy cost and helps the society through better protection of the environment, besides making the process hygienic and safe.
Technology is skill-centered. We are offering training program to the rural and as well as industrial personnel, and we till today we have conducted several such training programs in order to enhance the economic conditions of the rural population.
SEED is fortunate to have the R&D activities monitored and guided by a team of exceptionally qualified and experienced food scientists. SEED R&D Laboratory is one among the few facilities recognized by the Government of India's Department of Scientific Industrial Research and has been further recognized as a Center for Doctoral Studies by the JNTU Hyderabad and Geetham Universities. This NGO is encouraged and supported by Ministry of Science and Technology, SEED Division of Department of Science and Technology under Core Group Support Program. Under this program, with the financial assistance of DST, SEED installed 10 kilowatt solar rooftop power system and integrated to the food processing equipment. This is the first example of operating the entire food processing equipment with solar-backed power systems. Solar food processing technology, with all its core strengths in helping the farmers, protecting the environment, as well as empowering rural women, needs to be supported and encouraged by the central and state governments and all other stakeholders to contribute towards better prosperity of the farmers, creating and empowering rural entrepreneurship and significantly impacting the food security of the nation.
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD, has instituted awards for rural innovation to recognize innovators who have a significant impact on improving the quality of life those living in the villages. In 2012, SEED, Society for Energy, Environment and Development, was shortlisted by an esteemed jury led by then Union Minister of Rural Development, Government of India, as one of the top 30 organizations from 1,400 entries across India. These organizations have been identified as grassroots innovations that are today changing the face of rural India.
സോഷ്യോ-ഇക്കണോമിക് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് പ്രോഗ്രാമിന്റെ കീഴിൽ സ്ത്രീ ശാക്തീകരണത്തിന് വേണ്ടി പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന SHG ഗ്രൂപ്പാണ് സ്ത്രീ ശക്തി മഹിളാ സമാജം. സോളാർ ഡ്രയർ ഉപയോഗിച്ച്